welcome to another vlog. I have to confess, it's a late start to the day. It's 11 a.m. and I'm just starting off my day. We put a bit of cake on. I'm trying to go on this bandwagon where I'm cooking more at home. It's been a tough journey. And to help me along with the journey, we've got HelloFresh on the menu. I've tried HelloFresh in the past and I loved it. They make everything so easy, so simple. They portion size everything for you. They have a wide selection of items on the menu and it changes on a regular basis. I've ordered a wide selection of items, which I'm so excited about. And I think this is just going to get me back into the bandwagon of cooking at home because I've been dining out way too much, spending way too much money. I need to make a change. And you guys know that I'm on this fitness and health journey. Cooking at home always makes you feel like you've done something really productive and you're doing well. Anyway, that's one of my life goals. HelloFresh have also given me a code. You can use the code 60Huong to get 60% off on your first box, and your next following 2 boxes you get 25% off. It's available for new customers and any customers that have cancelled in the last 8 months. I'll ensure to add the code right here for you guys if you're interested in trying out HelloFresh. For the last few days, I've had such a busy day that I haven't had the opportunity to go to the gym. I've been trying to find meals that have a lot of protein because when I'm exercising and to build muscle, you need a lot of protein. I'm so excited to try this option, which is the seared duck breast in balsamic red currant sauce. This looks amazing. Also got some Thai inspired stir fry noodle. Previously, I was a vegetarian for around about 8 months. We're dating back years ago. One of the meals that I can have throughout the week is a vegetarian option. So I went for the quick Thai style veggie curry. If you guys are not aware, I've recently started dating someone. Things are going really well. He's really cut down his meat consumption. So I thought I'd pick this on the menu for him. And I thought it would be fun for a date night for us to cook that together. I picked some easy selection where it's like 20 minutes to cook. But the main deal here, I'm going to have this today. You open the box, everything is pre-packaged and labelled. I will need to compete to see if my dish will actually turn out and look like this. Basically, you just have to read the instruction. Dish will take me around about 40 to 45 minutes to make. And we've got all the ingredients here. I'm just going to follow along and cook this meal. Everything's in the oven, so we're just waiting for that to cook. Doesn't this look amazing? I think I've done a pretty good job. That looks really similar. And then this is the sauce. Wow. I'm excited to tuck in. That is so good. The tenderness of the duck, the crispiness of the duck skin. So amazing. The sauce has like got a sweet, tangy flavour to it. I'm so impressed. And that was so easy to make as well. I'm definitely ordering this again. I have a full beat on because we're heading out today. I'm going to my very first art exhibition, which I'm so excited for. So I've got a little date planned for this evening. It's a bit crazy because we literally seen each other. This will be the 4th time this week. I know, extensive. I'm shocked myself. But you know when you get along, you just get along. We are going to an art exhibition in central London. I'm just really casual for the occasion. I don't know what to wear, but I'm thinking since I'm going to be commuting up to London, wandering around and going to be on my toes all afternoon, I thought let's just be comfortable. I cannot handle heels. I'm at an age now, comfort overlooks. But anyway, I got my beat on, so at least the face looks cute. I don't know how to behave at an art exhibition. It is what it is. Okay, so he's gonna have to show me all the ropes. I'm back in the car, another random evening. I am headed off to watch Creed. We got another little mini date. So we've got another random night. My sister said that the review was really good. She said it's really intense. I'm really looking forward to it. I literally was like rushing home to arrange for this date because it's so last minute. But oh my God, I just love these sort of spontaneous, not planned evening. And I love it when someone's just free and available for me. It's like, you got time for me? I got time for you. God, I just sprayed this perfume for my sister and it smells so fucking incredible. It's like an apple twist and it's so fruity and punchy. I can't wait for my date to get a sniff and whiff of this. I should have sprayed an extra few sprays down below. I literally spent the afternoon with my friends as well. So I had Nando's earlier and then now we're going to try and grab something quick to eat and then cinema. So it's a nice little evening which I'm looking forward to. We're watching a bit of Michael B. Jordan. Who can say no to that? Oh, it feels quite exciting, quite nervous at the same time. It's a very rewarding feeling. Making a little change in this room. My sister had some spare pack wardrobe and I thought, okay, let me declutter all this and put a full pack wardrobe here so that I've got space to like put some clothing and all these products can go in there because it's a hell of a load of mess at the moment. But that would mean I have to take down all these shelves and all these clutter and make space for the wardrobe. I don't know, I'm quite concerned doing all this. This is a lot of work. It sounded like a good idea at the time, but now I'm like, wow, is this a good idea? At the time, I thought it was a good idea to drill as many holes as possible. When you're taking it out, it's a different story. So now I have to plaster all these as well. Fun times. I did it the lazy way. I didn't tidy all this. I literally left it in there. We're going to declutter all of this once I have all the drawers and everything set up, and I can just move things over from here to the wardrobe. I'm so excited. I mean, I wanted the wardrobe not only for products but for clothing as well. Some of my sporty stuff, I can put it over there. I've got so much products. One thing that I'm so excited about, I found my iPad. I didn't know where this disappeared to. I've been searching it for months. Well, happy. It dropped behind one of the drawers, but now it's back in my possession. I wanted to get a new iPad, but now I don't need it no more. Good decision to do this. Guys, I am so upset. So we did all this trouble. I detached everything and the wardrobe's in the house. And look, it's poking through the roof. We're thinking we can modify this by trimming it down. I don't know if that'll work. Grant, are you sure it will work? Well, he is the handyman. Oh gosh, we've made too much effort. We can't just leave it here like this. I had to run to Screwfix and get a circular saw. And we're going to cut down this wardrobe. Oh my God, my heart broke when I saw that it didn't fit. There's a solution to everything. We've got this brain box over here, handyman. And yes, he did do a little strip show. You get to see the cast. It's all going to plan. A little problem solved. How cool is this? It's got a little laser that you can use. But guys, we did it! Looks more simple than it was. Okay, I'm so excited. This is a little decluttering session that I desperately needed. This is my little thank you for help me do the wardrobe.
Chloe, twice in a row, guys.
But they do one of the best. It's called Pathia. I don't know, I've tried it in other places, but it's not as good as here. I'm so upset. So we only got the railing for the left-hand side, and I need it for the other side. So I've got to drive all the way to their house to get it. And I've got to do it myself now. Guys, we did it. I'm so happy. So we've got like 7 trays, and then we've got these so that I can put my glasses, sunglasses, my jewellery. So happy. I need the felt on it though. Finish my room. So much hard work. The whole wardrobe's fitted in. I mean, there's not much space, but it will do. I'm really happy with the progress on this. On the top, I haven't organised anything. I kind of need something to hide. I might consider getting another drawer so I can hide that crap. And we've got... I don't know, up there is just a load of junk. Got all my products in here. My jewellery, I need to sort that out. My sunglasses. And then these trays, we've got more products. And here, these 2 tray, I want to start putting my gym stuff in here because I haven't got enough storage in my bedroom. Tops and sports bras will go here. I haven't filled it up yet. Got tech stuff that's just poking out all over the place. But at least there is some organisation happening. Work in progress. I spread it out my perfume on this one. And then also over here. So I'm a very happy bunny at the moment. I need to go into decluttering mode because I've got so much products in these areas. Powders, lipsticks, glitters. You know I'm a glitter whore. More products. Oh my God. More products. Lashes. This is going to be a mess. Powders. What else have I got here? Lashes. More products over here. Should I show you all the tray? This I need to organise. That's more jewellery. More stuff. Concealers, more product, eyeshadow palette. It's a lot going on, isn't it? I need to declutter all of that and clean it out. And yeah, they need a good wipe down. A good start to organisation, I think. Last night, I was up until 2 a.m. doing all this. Yeah, I was so tired this morning, but I'm so glad that everything has a home. That I need to do a lot more decluttering. For now, it'll do. So this is my office space and my makeup section. Another thing, I had to take down the curtains. It didn't have enough space. I have a radiator right here. This fit exactly just before it hits the radiator. The curtain had to go. This room is so small anyway. It will help with light, and I never use the curtains. And then we've got all this to do. God help me. So over next week, I'm going to get some of the plastering thing and fill that out. I'm heading out this evening, going to see the guy that I'm dating. We're going to the bar to have a few drinks, to have a good time and just unwind. The weekend is long overdue. I'm so excited. I'm wearing all white. Every time when I wear all white, I just feel some sort of way. I'm like, this boss ass bitch over here, she's got her shit together. Yeah, I feel really classy whenever I'm wearing white. We're going to a local bar of mine, nothing extravagant. My date has asked me whether I want to meet him again tomorrow, and I'm like, wow, 2 days in a row, is that a bit too much? You want to double book me? He's like, I'm gonna triple book you. Secretly, you want to hear all this. Finally managed to drag our butt outside of the house. Yesterday, I had so much fun. Came back for more champagne, and I'm just like, ugh. I said to my friend, do you want to grab lunch? And she's like, I've already eaten. How about you have coffee and you watch me eat? So I'm meeting my friend, and we're just having a quick one. I just love Vietnamese so much. I can never get bored of Vietnamese food. And then after this, I think I'm going to go to IKEA. You know, I've built the wardrobe in my spare room. I feel like there's missing parts, and you need little square boxes to put items in. I'm going to have a bit of a wander in IKEA after this, since I'm already down the ends. I left the house without a jacket or anything. Regretful decision. I don't know what I was thinking. I've been so awful at this vlogging game, and I'm like, when's the last time I turned on the camera? But we are heading out, get a better light. I've got another little mini date. I said to my date that we're gonna make this a regular thing where we're often going to the cinema, spending time together, where there's no sexual energy, you're just chilling. Hey, I've got unlimited OTN tickets, so why not make good use out of it at the same time? Put in like a wee. I've met my date on the 14th of February at the Chris Brown concert, and it was so cute. On the 14th of March, he messaged me. He was like, it's our 1 month anniversary, let's do something. And he came round and surprised me with champagne and chocolate and with a sparkler. I've got the wounds to prove that we celebrated. Somehow I managed to burn myself on my knuckles, and it's blistered everywhere. So fun times, I think, to remember. I'm gonna tell him to kiss this blister when he sees it. What are we watching today? We're watching Scary Movie. This is like number 5 or something. I didn't even know there was so many series that's been released. Good evening, guys. We are heading out for dinner. I feel really J-Lo inspired this evening. I'm like, the green dress, the slit, the colour, it's a vibe. So I thought, okay, I'm never going to get an occasion to wear this dress, so why not wear it today? Today, it's quite a planned, but a big day. So all my friends, we're going out for dinner, and my date is going to be there. So, whew, a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm sure it'll be fun. I mean, I'm really looking forward to it, actually. We are going uptown. We're going to have dinner with all the girls. Then we're going to have some drinks and just get drunk and just have like a lit evening. My God, I'm feeling my glam today. I haven't worn gloss in such a long time, but it's coming back. It's making a comeback. I haven't got a single jacket that I can wear that'll go with this outfit. I am running late, so I need to leave the house. How amazing is this? We're in a hotel suite tonight. We're having dinner. Look how beautiful this hotel room is, and we've got drinks out for the night. Look how beautiful this is. So I need to show you guys the view. So we're right by Embankment. You can see the London Eye right there. I need to show you this. Oh my God, how beautiful is that? I love this, and I can take this home. It's going to be a decor in my house. He always leaves me something after each occasion I see him. And let me show you the bathroom. This is a cute little vibe, isn't it? Hey. So we've got the shower. Guys, it's time for food. I've got all my girlfriends with me, so we're gonna have a good time.
This is so good.
I could get used to waking up to this in the morning. Look how amazing that is, this view. Yeah, having breakfast in bed. I feel like I'm proper pampered today. Yum. This is a naughty weekend. Good evening. We are out after work today. I look a mess, feel a mess. I'm meeting up with my family. So my mum's back from Vietnam. We decided we're going to take her out for dinner. She arrived after Mother's Day, actually. And we went to go do something. We're like, we need to do more activities with my mum. So we made reservation. This location here is called Charcoal. Alcohol, whiskey. I don't know if my family's up for that, but whew, give me some of that. I feel like I'd need it after a long day's work. This is the menu selection. I remember going here some time ago and I really enjoyed it. So they do sushi, also hot pot Japanese barbecue as well. Makes me so happy every time I see food. I feel like I haven't caught up with you guys in such a long time. If you guys follow my social media, you guys know that I've been here and there going on dates and everything. I found someone that I'm very fond of. It's still early days. We've only met each other for around about just over a month, but it's good times. I'm not gonna lie, this morning I was feeling a bit like heavy-hearted, and I don't know why. I'm going through mixed emotions, and I feel like it's also the fear in me battling with myself, thinking, is this the right one? I should be enjoying the moment and embracing it and everything. And I was like doing this test called the attachment style quiz, and it's so interesting. So there's 4 different attachment styles, and I discovered that I am fearful, anxious, which means I avoid a lot of things and I suss things out really quickly. And when I feel that there's a sense of like lying, I put out my detective work and I literally just pull back. I feel that that resembles me down to a T. So when he did the test, he was the secure attachment style. So we are completely opposite. Wow, we really balance each other out. When I hear about myself being a fearful, anxious, I was just like thinking, wow, Hong, there's like traumas in your life that you've had in the past. You need to overcome it. And we were just sitting and talking about this with my girlfriends yesterday. It turns out most of my friends that are Asian have the same attachment style. So one of the things they highlighted was you have a fear of relying on people, and I feel that so strongly. I'm so scared to rely on someone just in case I get hurt, so I'm so independent. I do everything myself. I need to find someone that I feel like I can fully trust and I can depend on to make me feel safe and secure. And I do feel that this person has touched that element and has bring out the soft side in me, which I really like. However, it's early days. Being me, I feel scared. I've been single for over 8 years, guys. It's such a scary moment. I thought that when I get to this stage where I actually found someone that I really like, I'll be so happy, so blissful, and everything all aligns. But it brings along its own sort of dilemma that I'm dealing with internally as well. The thought of even calling someone my boyfriend in the near future petrifies the life out of me. I am so possessive, protective of this title called my boyfriend, because I feel that it comes with a lot of responsibilities, a lot of expectations that I have. There needs to be trust and longevity. For someone to be labelled that, I have to do my due diligence to ensure that this person is deserving of this title. Maybe I'm thinking too much into it because other people's like, just enjoy the ride, girl. Why are you thinking so much? I don't know. My mind goes in 100,000,001 direction. I also feel the fear of, can I give love? Am I capable of love? There's so many things that go through my mind. I don't know if you guys have the same struggle with me. I feel that deep down there's probably some trauma there that I need to deal with. I don't know what it is. And I've been feeling like this morning, I've been feeling really emotional, and I had a little good cry with my girlfriend. And it's so funny that I'm at a stage in my life where I feel so happy in this side, and then it's causing me anxiety and doubts on the other side. And this mixture of emotions really choked me up, and I didn't know how to deal with it because I'm so used to being by myself, depending on myself, and now opening up that barrier to say, I trust you. I see that potentially it could go somewhere, and I'm really fearful of being hurt at the same time. I don't know why I feel like this, but hey, we have cried the tears, and now I'm just gonna ensure I cook a good meal and relax and chill today. I feel sad that I should be enjoying this moment, but yeah, I'm overthinking like 100,000,001 things, and my sister's just like, get over it and just enjoy the moment. The thing is, this person is so amazing. Ever since we've met each other, there's been nothing but blessings. He's the most thoughtful person I've ever met in my whole entire life. But they say it takes 3 months to discover who that person is. So interesting. So my friend today, she sent me like a little story of this person, that one of her close friends who dated someone. The person came from abroad because he needed a passport. They decided to get married. They've been married for X amount of years. She gave birth to the child, and then one day his phone was lying around. He forgot to lock it. She decided to have a little sneak peek, and what you know, it turns out the guy has a long-term girlfriend at home in his home country. They were playing the long game. The girlfriend knew that he's getting married to her. They were both in it together for him to get a passport. The messages that he was sending, the girlfriend was like really cussing his wife out, saying the most horrendous thing. I'm not saying that my guy is this. You know, when you hear these stories, you're just like, wow, the drama of it all. Even the person that you married and you thought you trust, it turns out it could all be a lie. Not saying that my guy is this guy, but it's just interesting to hear all these stories. I do believe in fairy tales. I do believe in love. If it doesn't work out, there's always, it is such a beautiful moment for me. So guys, be happy for me because I'm feeling happy for myself. But it's just one of those mind things that I need to really battle with, digest and think, it is possible for me to have happiness. It is possible for someone to be amazing, and it is possible for me to find love. Hopefully it won't end up in disappointment and tears. Wow, look at the contrast of when you saw me last and look at me now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I've taken you guys through my whole entire journey of the moments that I've started dating and seeing someone, and taking you guys along the journey with me. Just re-watching some of those beautiful moments and how happy and excited I am to celebrate this transition in my life. Not that I've got a boyfriend, by the way. It's been fun. It's been fun. As we continue to progress, hopefully I can share more moments with you guys. But anyway, we're going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. I love you.